Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome, and I hope you all are doing well. Okay, so to start, you want to take your lace and place it on top of your wig cap. So you want to make sure you have at least half an inch lace hanging on the front of the cap. Okay, so next you want to take your pin and pin the lace in place. So first you just want to pin it in place. Then once you're done pinning it in place, you're going to go ahead and create the shape of the lace you. Okay, so once you're done pinning the lace in place, the next step is to take your concealer. So we're going to be using the concealer to create the T shape. So you want to take your concealer or a fabric marker if you have it. So next you want to take that and create a T shape on the lace. So you can make it the longest part can be like 1 inch, while for the width, and the depth can be like 5 or 6. That depends on you. I think I use a depth of 5. I think so. I didn't actually measure it. I kind of eyeball it. So yeah, you just want to go ahead and draw in your T shape on the lace. So as you can see in the front, on the front of the cap, you see the extra lace in front, just hanging on the front. You want to make sure you have that lace hanging in case once you're done, you need more hair on the front in order to create baby hair. That lace, the extra lace on the front, will allow you to do that. But yeah, it's really helpful to have at least a little bit of lace hanging on the front of the wig cap. Okay, so once you're done drawing in the T shape, you want to take your pin and pin on the line. So once you're done pinning down the line, the next step is to cut out the excess lace. Oh, I did that off camera. Okay, so once you've done pinning the lace in place, you can see right here, I use a lot of pin to pin along the line I created. Okay, so once you've pinned down your lace, the next step is to take your needle and thread and secure the lace down to the wig cap. So you want to make sure to move the pins as you sew along. So remove it, put it to the side, or you can pin it on top of the lace. So that depends on you, but you want to make sure to remove it as you sew along. So you want to continue doing that until you're done sewing down the lace. So remove the pins as you sew along. So for me, I like to work on one side of the lace one at a time. So I work on this side first. I sew it all the way to the middle part of the lace. Then I cut the thread, making sure to leave enough thread hanging. So because at the end you're going to be tying both threads together. Okay, so I like to sew on one side first. So next I go to the other side and sew it all the way down to the middle. So once that is done, I tie both threads together to secure it in place. So but for this video, I'm going to be sewing the other side off camera. Okay, so I've already went ahead and did that. So this is the final result. So next you can go ahead and cut off the black cap under the wig cap before going ahead to ventilate the hair. So as you can see, the lace is kind of raising up. That's because of the elastic under the lace. So once you cut the elastic out, this part right here is going to relax flat. So the elastic is kind of pulling it tight. That's why you have the space under the lace right there. Okay, so this is the final result. Go ahead and cut off the extra. Go ahead and cut off the black cap under the lace, and you're ready for your project. So also guys, I have a separate video showing you guys how I made this wig. So I'll put the link in the description box down below. If you haven't seen that video, be sure to click on the link be sure to click on the link in the description box down below to watch the video. All right guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for popping by today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And also, if you're new to my channel, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button down below. If you already subscribed, thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for popping by today, and I'll see you all in my next one.